Are you planning to invest in a truck? Smart move.
But have you considered which insurance coverage is right for you? Let me walk you through it.
Let's start with several essential coverages mandated by federal and local authorities, as well as required by most logistics businesses.
No carrier or brokerage will let you haul their customers' freight with at least $100,000 in cargo liability coverage.
Cargo insurance is a must-have for all owner-operators and independent contractors. It protects you from being held liable for freight loss or damage due to theft, accidents, or even natural disasters.
Commercial cargo insurance is required when you operate vehicles like box trucks, cargo vans, flatbeds, car haulers, or most types of trailers.
These vehicles are commonly used for transporting commercial freight, so having adequate coverage ensures that any potential freight loss or cargo damage can be fully compensated.
Just keep in mind that cargo loss or damage can occur unexpectedly,
even without malicious intent, through accidents, handling errors, or unforeseen events.
Another critical coverage is general liability insurance.
This protects against property damage and bodily injury caused to another vehicle or person in an accident.
For instance, if you crash into someone's rear bumper on a rainy day on the highway, general liability will cover the damage.
The required coverage amount is usually based on the truck's weight and the type of material being transported, with a minimum set at $1 million. For truckers hauling hazardous, explosive, or radioactive materials, the coverage requirements can be much higher due to the increased risks. In these cases, the necessary coverage can climb as much as $5 million to account for potential damage such materials could cause.
If you use your truck for business purposes, you almost certainly require commercial truck insurance. In fact, most states require this type of coverage. Even if it's not mandatory where you operate, having it provides an important layer of financial protection for your business.
Unlike standard liability insurance, commercial truck insurance covers damages to your truck as well as liability if your vehicle is at fault in an accident.
The amount of coverage you need depends on various factors, such as your driving history, the condition of your truck, the routes you typically drive, and more. If you're a business owner, commercial auto insurance is likely to be on your must-have list. It provides coverage for both liability and damages that may arise during work-related activities.
Key features: liability coverage, physical damage coverage,
Uninsured motorist coverage, personal injury protection, non-owned auto coverage.
Last but not least on today's list is non-trucking liability insurance. This coverage safeguards against property damage or bodily injury during personal use of your truck when you're not under dispatch. Non-trucking liability is a helpful suggestion, as we know unexpected situations can happen, and we're sure you know that too.
While some insurance packages are mandatory, others offer flexible options that can be customized to suit your specific needs. Selecting the right combination helps you stay prepared for unforeseen events while keeping expenses under control.
If this feels like a lot to navigate, don't worry.
At Truckers National Insurance, we'll gladly guide you through the options and find a solution that fits both your needs and your budget.
Truckers National Insurance.
You deliver.
So do we.